Hey there, travel buddies! Are you ready for an adventure like no other? Today we're setting off to a place that's as charming as it is fascinating. Buckle up because we're heading to the Netherlands. The Netherlands, a country as cute as a button and as yummy as a fresh cookie, is waiting for us. Picture this: endless fields of green, dotted with quaint little houses and windmills turning lazily in the breeze. And let's not forget the delicious Dutch cookies that are a treat for your taste buds. Get ready to be amazed by the iconic windmills that have stood the test of time, the serene canals that weave through the landscape, and the vibrant fields of tulips that paint the countryside in a riot of colors. It's like stepping into a postcard. The Netherlands is a cool mix of old and new. Imagine walking through a city where sleek, modern buildings stand side by side with centuries-old architecture. It's a place where history and innovation coexist in perfect harmony. As soon as you arrive, you'll meet friendly people who are always ready with a warm smile and a helping hand. The relaxed vibe of the Dutch villages, with their picturesque canals and charming bridges, will make you feel like you've stepped into a fairy tale. Whether you love art, history, food, or just want a pretty place to relax, the Netherlands has something for you. Art enthusiasts can lose themselves in world-class galleries, history buffs can explore fascinating museums, and foodies can indulge in mouth-watering Dutch street food. So, put on your comfy shoes and let's explore this awesome country. Wander through bustling cities, take a scenic walk through the countryside, and soak in the beauty that surrounds you. Every corner of the Netherlands has a story to tell and a sight to behold. Get ready to say hello to the Netherlands. This is just the beginning of our journey, and there's so much more to discover. So let's dive in and experience the magic of this incredible country together. First stop, Amsterdam, the awesome capital of the Netherlands. This city is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. From its picturesque canals to its rich cultural heritage, Amsterdam offers something for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, an art enthusiast, or just someone looking to soak in the vibrant atmosphere, this city has it all. This city is a mix of historic canals, famous museums, and a lively atmosphere. The canals, which are a UNESCO World Heritage Site, are the lifeblood of Amsterdam, weaving through the city and offering stunning views at every turn. As you stroll along the cobblestone streets, you'll find charming cafes, bustling markets, and friendly locals who are always ready to share a story or two. Let's take a boat ride on the canals and admire the elegant houses, each with its own special design. These houses, with their gabled facades and intricate details, tell the story of Amsterdam's rich history and architectural evolution. As you glide through the water, you'll see how the city seamlessly blends the old with the new, creating a unique and captivating landscape. And don't miss the houseboats floating on the water. They're like tiny homes. These houseboats are a testament to Amsterdam's innovative spirit and its residents' love for the water. Each one is uniquely designed and offers a cozy, intimate living space that you won't find anywhere else. Imagine waking up to the gentle sway of the boat and the serene views of the canal right outside your window, calling all art lovers. Amsterdam has amazing museums. The city is home to some of the world's most renowned art collections, housed in beautiful historic buildings. Whether you're interested in classical masterpieces or contemporary works, there's a museum here that will captivate your imagination. Dive into the world of Van Gogh at his museum, where you can see his most famous works up close. The Van Gogh Museum offers a deep dive into the life and mind of one of history's most influential artists. From his early sketches to his iconic sunflower paintings, you'll gain a new appreciation for his genius and his struggles. Be amazed by Rembrandt's paintings at the Rijksmuseum, which houses an extensive collection of Dutch Golden Age art. The Rijksmuseum is a must-visit for anyone interested in the rich artistic heritage of the Netherlands. Here, you'll find not only Rembrandt's masterpieces, but also works by other great artists like Vermeer and Hals. Or check out modern art at the Stedelijk Museum, where contemporary art and design take center stage. The Stedelijk Museum is a dynamic space that showcases the cutting edge of modern creativity. From thought-provoking installations to innovative design pieces, this museum is a celebration of the ever-evolving world of art. And of course, you can't visit Amsterdam without riding a bike. Biking is not just a mode of transportation here, it's a way of life. The city's flat terrain and extensive network of bike paths make it easy and enjoyable to explore on two wheels. Rent one and join the locals as you explore the charming streets and bridges. As you pedal through the city, you'll discover hidden gems, from quaint boutiques to serene parks. Biking allows you to experience Amsterdam at your own pace, giving you the freedom to stop and take in the sights whenever you please. Just remember to use your hand signals. People in Amsterdam take their biking seriously. Safety is paramount, and using hand signals ensures that everyone on the road knows your intentions. So, hop on a bike, feel the wind in your hair, and enjoy the ride through this incredible city. Get ready to be amazed as we go to Keukenhof Gardens, a spring spectacle that will blow you away. Imagine millions of tulips in every color you can think of, blooming across huge gardens. It's like stepping into a rainbow. Walk along paths, smell the sweet hyacinths and daffodils, and enjoy the beauty. The bright colors and designs of the flower beds show how much the Dutch love their gardens. Keukenhof is a dream for taking pictures, so make sure your camera is ready. You'll want to remember every bit of this flower paradise. Let's travel back in time as we visit Zaanse Schans, a charming open-air museum. Get ready to be transported to the 1700s and 1800s when windmills were super important. Look at the tall windmills, each with its own job, like grinding spices or cutting wood. Go inside a working windmill to see how they work and learn about their history. Explore the workshops and houses where you can watch craftspeople make things. Don't forget to try some Dutch cheese and buy a souvenir. You can't visit the Netherlands without trying the delicious food. The Dutch cuisine is a delightful blend of rich flavors and unique textures that will leave your taste buds craving for more. From savory to sweet, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Get ready for a tasty adventure. The vibrant food culture here is not just about eating. It's about experiencing the joy and tradition behind each dish. Whether you're a foodie or just looking to try something new, the Netherlands has a lot to offer. Let's start with the cheese. Dutch cheese is world-renowned, and for good reason. The variety and quality are simply unmatched. Gouda, Edam, Maasdam, the Netherlands is a cheese lover's dream. Each type of cheese has its own distinct flavor and texture, making it a true paradise for cheese enthusiasts. Gouda is creamy and rich, Edam is slightly salty and firm, and Maasdam has a nutty, sweet taste. Visit a cheese market or shop to try different cheeses from creamy to aged. These markets are not just places to buy cheese. They are cultural experiences where you can learn about the history and production of these delicious dairy products. And for something sweet, you have to try a stroopwafel. This iconic Dutch treat is a must-try for anyone with a sweet tooth. These thin cookies have yummy caramel syrup inside. The combination of the crispy waffle and the gooey caramel is simply irresistible. They're best enjoyed warm from a street vendor. Watching the vendor prepare your stroopwafel right in front of you adds to the experience, making it even more special. Also, try some traditional Dutch food like stamppot, a mashed potato dish, or bitterballen, which are fried meatballs. These dishes are hearty and comforting, perfect for a cozy meal. And if you're feeling brave, try haring. It's a Dutch delicacy. This raw fish is typically served with onions and pickles and is a favorite among locals. It's an acquired taste, but definitely worth trying for the full Dutch experience. One of the best things about the Netherlands is it's so easy to get around. Forget about traffic jams. Here, you can relax and enjoy the ride. Trains are great for traveling between cities, and they're comfortable and frequent. Once you're in a city, biking is the way to go. The Netherlands loves bikes, with special bike paths and even traffic lights just for cyclists. If you prefer public transport, the buses and trams are great. And for short distances, why not walk and enjoy the lovely atmosphere? The Netherlands is a cool mix of old and new. You'll find old windmills next to modern buildings and traditional crafts alongside cutting-edge technology. This blend makes the Netherlands so special. It's a country that loves its past, but is also excited about the future. While the famous attractions are awesome, don't be afraid to explore and find hidden gems. Visit the charming city of Delft, famous for its blue and white pottery. Get lost in the fairy tale De Haar Castle, or escape to Texel Island, known for its beaches, nature, and villages. These are just a few of the many hidden treasures waiting for you in the Netherlands. Rent a car, hop on a bike, or put on your walking shoes and start your own adventure. Want to experience the Netherlands yourself? Go to CountryDiscover.com to plan your trip. We have everything you need, from destination guides to insider tips. Subscribe to our channel and tell us about your favorite Dutch experience or the places you want to visit. What are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to say hello to the Netherlands.